Hello, boss. We are RFID Storage Cabinet manufacturer located in Shenzhen, China. There are 100 pieces RFID storage cabinet manufactured here. Follow me, I show you two models. This interface had a fingerprint and the camera. This kind of model is storage and through the RFID to contact the quantity, okay? This model, and there is another model we can see here. Close, come near, come in. Yeah, this is a 21.5 touch screen interface here. Yeah, it is HMI function for this storage. Okay, and we can see our colleague here is test the RFID through the screen, the touch screen. We can count the quantity inside, how many we had to take out, and how many is in storage. Okay. Here we are assembling the RFID storage cabinet here. If you are finding RFID cabinet storage product, contact us. We are here. We're waiting for you. Thank you.